front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now just click on your photos that you wish to add, or select Gallery section. Click on them over here and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, then click on Folders. Look for your photo by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner and selecting the best source for you. Hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!